Welcome to C++ programming. Today we are going to proceed with the third lesson. In the previous lesson we discussed the working of Dev C++ compiler in detail and we executed our first program in Dev C++. Today we are going to discuss the variables in programming. The variable is the most important concept in programming, so we have to spend much time to understand it. Variables. During programming we need to store data. This data is stored on memory. Variables are the name of locations in memory where the data is stored. The memory is divided into different blocks for storing data. Each memory block or location has a specific numerical address for access it. So we give a name to these locations. These names are called variables. Reason for named them as variables is that the value of these is changed with the time. C++ imposes fairly strict rules on how you can name your variables. These rules are: variable names must begin with a letter. Variable names are case sensitive. For example, the variable my number is different from the variable my number. You see, in this variable name the first letter of second word is capital, but in this variable name all letters are capitals. So these cannot same thing, which is different from the variable my number, all mixed letters. Variable names cannot have spaces. Variable names cannot have special characters. What can you name your variables? In general, variable names can be composed of letters, numbers, and underscores. However, C++ reserves certain keywords which have special meaning to the language, and you are not allowed to use any of these keywords as variables names. Some examples of C++ keywords are int, for, else, and class. The variable names in C or C++ may be started with a character or an underscore, but avoid starting a name with underscore. C or C++ has many libraries which contain variables and functions names normally starting with underscore. So, your variable name starting with underscore may conflict with these variables or function names. How can assign value to variables? In C or C++ language, equal to sign is used to assign value to variables. It is called assignment operator. Do not confuse the algebraic equal to with the assignment operator. Let's see this example. In algebra, x is equal to 3 means the value of x is 3. In other words, the x and 3 are equal, whereas in C or C++ language, x is a variable name and x is equal to 3 means take the value 3 and put it in the memory location labeled as x. In other words, it's mean the value 3 is assigned to the variable x. In this example, x, y and z are variables. X is equal to 5 means the value 5 is assigned to the variable named x. Y is equal to 10 means the value 10 is assigned to the variable named y, and z is equal to x plus y means the values of x and y add up together and the result is assigned or stored in the variable z. Now is the time of end lecture. Next time we will continue this concept.